friends, today I'm going to show you how to do drilling on resin. So this Bhabhi Rakhi is ready. I am doing the marking where I have to do the hole, one here and one here. Okay, so there are many grinding machines available. With this I do sanding also, means I do the edges clean like this way. So I'm going to open this part. You have to press this button and you have to open this, remove the grip part. There are different types of grips. For this one, this grip is perfect. Okay, so this is big drilling, this is very small, very thin one, and this one is medium. So first I am going to use the thin one, as I have used it a lot. It is having the Fevicol, because sometime when I cover this area with the clear resin, I have to cover this part with the Fevicol. So this Fevicol is stuck here. Okay, so no need to worry, it will come out. So I'm changing this one here. Now I'm going to lock this one. I have pressed this button and I have locked this. So this is stiff. Now where I have done the marking, there I am going to do the drilling. Okay, you can put on the floor also first if you are little bit hesitating to keep in your hand. So first you put on your floor and just push on. Okay, then you can lift it up, you get the small hole. Now this one I am keeping in hand and I am doing directly. Okay, the small drilling is done. Now I will change this part again and I will add the biggest one which I got in my toolbox. Again I will lock it. Keep remembering, you have to press this button, then only you can open or lock. So now I am making this drill little bigger. So on the same hole, easily done. So drilling is done easily. Now I will cover this with resin. Here I have done the clear resin. I have sealed it. Here I have to do the finishing still. So I have shown you how you can do both the way.